Hello my treasures, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. And if today is your first time of tuning into this channel, my name is Henrietta Onyemere. You are highly welcomed. Please sit down and enjoy the video and feel free to subscribe. In today's video we are making coconut chin, yeah, the tastiest of all chin-chins. And I have here already 8 cups of all-purpose flour, and in this flour I will add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together. You can add more sugar if you want, but that 1 cup was enough. All the dry ingredients properly, I'll then go in with margarine. I'm using 250 grams of margarine. You can also use butter. After making sure I've mixed the butter and the flour mix properly, I'll then add the milk. Here I have 1 cup of coconut milk. It's a homemade coconut milk. I have different videos of how to make coconut milk at home. Check the videos. I'll add the milk. I also have coconut flavor. I'll add 1 teaspoon of the coconut flavor and then mix together. So I'll add 1 cup of water to the milk cup, rinse it, and also add it together. And then I'll mix until I bring the whole flour together. But try not to pour too much liquid or water to it, so that the dough will not be so soft. You don't want to add it another water. I'll use this one and wrap it. We allow it to rest a bit after like 10 minutes. And allow it to rest for 15 minutes, and then we'll continue from there. The dough has been resting now for about 20 minutes. It has become softer. The next step I'll go now is to divide it into smaller portions and then roll and cut them into shapes for frying. And I will continue to roll and cut them until I've cut the whole dough. And then our next step will be to fry the chin. I also have different chin recipes in this channel. I have a banana chin which is also very delicious. I have cinnamon chin. I have the basic way of making Nigerian chin. Help me check them out. Thank you. And here I have everything ready for frying, and I already have some vegetable oil heating up on the stove. And then once it gets hot enough, I add the cut out chin for frying. Fry on a medium heat, not too high and not too low. And when I get this golden color, it is time to take it out from the oil. And I'll continue to fry the whole thing like this until I'm done frying the whole cut out dough or chin. And here we have our delicious and yummy coconut chin. This chin tastes so nice. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And also give the video a thumbs up. Share the video and see you in our next video. Until then, remain blessed and safe. Love you all. Bye bye.